All right, I'm going to work. It's time for school.
School. It's time for school. All right. Glasses. I don't have to get up. School's coming to me. Oh, that's cool. All right, let's see. Am I in time for class? Oh, just made it. Okay. All right. Okay, Mr. D, what are we learning today? I'm sure this has happened to you guys. Why would kids want to get out of bed if they don't have to? And why don't they think it's okay to do school laying right here? It's what we do now, right? Is it working or is it not? Okay, I'm out of bed. Still in my pajamas, so I'm gonna pick your battles on that one. Got my juice, so maybe now I'm ready to learn. Or am I? You know, so many times in the classroom, kids come to school not ready to learn, and they're not in their bed, but they're really not, you know, all put together or sitting up straight in the chair. And, you know, many of us say if you want to learn how to write, you got to be sitting up straight with your behind to the back of the chair, just like this, with your left hand here and your right hand here. And you know, some kids can write really well with their head laying on their arm like this. And so in a way, what we're talking about right now is a pick your battles type of thing. For some of us, we probably can function pretty well lying in bed with our cell phone. For others, based on our own automatic thought and the way we think things should be, we should be dressed up, had our breakfast, and participating just the way everybody else is. But in this time of virtual school, again, got to think about, is it working? If it's working, I might be happy the kid is signed on because their parent left for work and there isn't anybody there that's going to drag them out of bed. So if they're there, I'm actually more ahead than if they don't show up at all. The other thing is, what's the motivation behind it? I think for some kids, it's silly, it's fun, and so a lot of kids will go, oh, you're in bed, man, and they think it's kind of cool. So they're kind of getting a lot of attention from it. So if I make too big of a deal out of it, I might reinforce it. So there really isn't a great answer or a one-size-fits-all for this one. And as we know, we are not in a world of one-size-fits-all by any means. So if we're virtual school and the kid signs on and they're with us and participating, then I'm not going to spend a lot of time bringing more attention to them about where they might be and whether they're ready to learn. Now, what I could do is, depending upon what I'm teaching, like if I'm teaching music, for example, I may say, okay, you know how this starts out. We all get up, we put our hands up, we put our hands down, and then we do a little ditty, and then we grab our drumsticks, and that's how we start this class. A little bit harder to do while you're lying in bed. So maybe it's a routine you can establish where you do have to get up out of your seat in order to participate. So whatever it is you choose to do, remember, don't get caught up too much in what you can't control. And if we got them signing on, at least they're with us. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.